All right, you guys, so continuing. So remember that this means a square root. So here we took, for the square root of 9, we said, okay, well, we know 3 times 3. Those are two of the same numbers, so I circled two of the same numbers, and so we just take one of them out, and so it becomes 3, the same way here, right? And so now we're going to talk about another situation. So let's say you have the square root of 8. Well, is this a perfect square? Meaning on our list of perfect squares, does anything equal 8? Well, no, we only can get 3 times 3, which equals 9. And we know before that 2 times 2 equaled 4, so nothing equaled 8, right? So 8 is not a perfect square. So what do we do in this situation? Well, in this situation, we have to break it down, meaning we have to find two numbers that multiply together to give us 8, but there's a trick here. I'm going to teach you a trick. I want you to find a hidden square. Remember, I told you in the last video that our perfect squares, those 13 that we wrote down, those are hidden squares. And if we know those, if we memorize them, then we're going to be able to locate them within a number. So example, for 8, well, we know that two numbers that multiply together are going to be 2 times 4, correct? Well, we know 4, the square root of 4 is a perfect square, right? That's one of our hidden squares. So we could say, well, we know the square root of 2 times the square root of 4. Well, we know this, remember, was 2 times 2, so that's a perfect square. So we take one of these out. So the square root of 4 becomes 2, and we take that out of the radical times the square root of 2. So this is our answer.